Summer is back and it's time for some summertime cooking. Today we're going to make some pasta primavera. Now for this recipe you will need a total of 9 ingredients. 1 pound of chopped broccoli, 11 medium carrots chopped nicely. We'll also need 6 diced tomatoes, 2 pounds of baked and chopped chicken, some fresh garlic, some heavy whipping cream, fresh Parmesan, something to saute your veggies in, either oil or water, and some fresh pasta. Today I went with some fresh fusilli. Now for this next portion, we can put our chicken, our Parmesan, and our heavy cream back in the fridge. For this next portion, we're going to take our broccoli and our carrots over to the stove. Here's where we'll saute/steam, depending on whether you're using oil or water, our veggies. Once our veggies are soft, we'll bring over our garlic. I'm also going to split up these veggies so that we have a little bit more room to work. We'll mince our garlic. Once our garlic is minced, we can grab our chicken from the fridge. Since our chicken is already cooked, all we're looking to do here is just warm it up. Next we'll add our tomatoes, and once again we're just looking to warm up the tomatoes, not to overcook them. We'll give them maybe a couple minutes. Once everything's warmed up, we'll take it off of our heat and bring it over to the pasta. Now for this step, I'm going to grab another large pot, and we're going to take our pasta and our primavera. We'll mix it all together. Then we'll go back to the fridge and grab our heavy cream. For this much pasta, I'd say a cup to a cup and a half is probably good. We'll heat this up in the microwave. And now it's time to plate. We'll take some pasta, add some fresh Parmesan, maybe a piece of bread on the side. And there we have our finished pasta primavera. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoy your pasta primavera, and I will see you again next week. Totally. Fantastic. Alright, well that's the character. I found mine too. Hey, Vinny. Hi. It's yummy, huh? Take care.